In this video, learn how to find your saved posts and reels inside the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. Let's begin. We save a lot of posts and reels, which we find cool and awesome. So, here's a nifty way to find them inside the app. Open Instagram and navigate to your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap on the 3 horizontal lines icon at the top right corner to open the settings page. Inside this menu, look for Saved under the section How You Use Instagram. Now tap on it. You will then find all the saved posts and reels inside this option. The number of files and folders appearing may vary from person to person. In our case, we have these folders inside, which specific posts are saved categorically. Yours might be a different view altogether. While going through the posts, if you don't want any posts to be present there, just tap on the bookmark icon again, and this will remove the post from your saved posts. Hopefully, you are now able to find your saved posts inside Instagram. If you like this guide, make sure to follow and subscribe to Guiding Tech for more tutorials related to your everyday technology. And make sure to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.